Hello everyone, welcome back to the session. So this is a scratch tutorial. So here we are going to see about block menu events. So under the block menu events you have these many block palettes. Okay, so this particular block palette is called as hat palette. Okay, sorry, hat block. Okay, hat block is nothing but it stands only at the top of any blocks. Okay, any connecting blocks, it only stands at the top. Okay, so this is the main block. Okay, can you see it is in the shape of hat? Okay, so when flag clicked, okay, see here some of the block from here, okay, move and turn 15 degree. Okay, I want my cat to move. Okay, let me make it as 60 degree and 60 steps and turn 15 degrees. Okay, so instead of clicking on this whole block, I would like what I can do is I can just click on this flag. Okay, if I click on this flag, my actions which I have specified will be performed. So this is the use of this hat block. Okay, now back to this list. Okay, now when space key clicked, okay, so instead of pressing this flag, I can also press the key from the keyboard. Okay, see here, if I just press the key, space key, then it would have done the job. Okay, see, similarly you have these many keys which you can alter. Okay, right now I have given space, you can just keep A, B, C, whatever keys you want. Okay, so and you can also do in this way. Okay, so you can have the sprite here. Okay, so you have written the code. When you click the sprite, it should perform 60 steps and turn 15 degree. This is the task it should perform. If I click the sprite, it should do that. If I click, it should do that. Okay, I'm just taking it here, 60 steps and turning 15 degree, 60 and 50. Okay, can you see here, it is moving 60 steps and turning 15 degrees. Okay, got it. Okay, I'm just removing it and back to this. Okay, can you see the difference? These hat blocks cannot be attached. Okay, attached with one another. Okay, so other blocks like this kind of blocks can be attached, but whereas this hat blocks cannot be attached, okay, with one another. And right now see here, when backdrop switches to backdrop 1, okay, right now we don't have any backdrop. Okay, I'm just clearing everything. New, I'm just not saving it. Okay, see here, event. Okay, so I'm just going to select the backdrop here. So let us select this bedroom 1. Okay, so this bedroom 1. Okay, I'm just clicking OK. Okay, so right now our cat is in the bed. Okay, and let me select another one backdrop also, like okay, this chalkboard. Okay, if the backdrop switches, we have to say if our sprite is in this type of background, it should say I'm in classroom. Okay, if the background is something like this, okay, something like this, it should say I'm in home. Okay, so this is the task which I'm going to perform. Okay, for which what I'm going to do is, see here, just see here, switch backdrop to, okay, switch backdrop to chalkboard. Okay, see here, when I click, just I am asking this backdrop to change to chalkboard backdrop. Okay, after which I'm going to the sprite. Okay, I'm just taking this hat block. When the backdrop switches to chalkboard, I'm just asking the cat to say as in the classroom. Okay, I am in the classroom. Okay, now I'm going to click on this flag because here I have given the flag as the start point. Okay, so if I click on this flag, okay, see here, it has to switch to the chalkboard and it has to say I am in the classroom. Okay, so this is called sensing. It senses when the background switches, it senses and it does the job which I have given, that is say I am in the classroom. Okay, so that's all and this is done. Okay, when the loudness, okay, suppose we have done sensing, like if the backdrop changes, you can do this way. Similarly, you can do this loudness. If the loudness is greater than 20 or timer is greater than 10 or video motion is greater than 10, then you just can tell the sprite to perform specific task. Okay, similarly you can go ahead and give the conditions here, like you can just set a timer. Okay, so timer, sensing, okay, timer, video motion, everything I will be explaining you in the sensing thing. As of now you just understand this concept. Okay, so when that changes you can sense it and you can just very well give whatever options you want to do. Okay, similar to this. Okay, this particular block options, this particular palette has so many options. These options comes under operator and sensing block. I will be explaining you each one of this loudness, timer and video motion when the sensing block menu comes. Okay, right now we are just moving on to the next option, when I receive message 1. Okay, so see here, broadcast message 1. Okay, what I am doing is move 10 step and I am saying broadcast message 1. When I receive message 1, I am just asking the sprite to turn minus 90 degree and glide to new position. Okay, so let it be here. Let us stop this. Okay, okay, I am asking the cat to move 10 step. Okay, 10 step, and it will broadcast the message 1. When the message 1 is received, it turns to the minus 90 degree and goes to this position. Okay, see here. Okay, I am just clicking on this first. Okay, so what does it does is it just moved 10 steps and broadcasted the message, and it moves to the minus 10, minus 105, minus 96 point, and it turned left before. Okay, so see here, we can check this via this x and y position. See here, I am just clicking on the x and y position. See here, x is minus 105 and y is minus 196, and before which I have given it has to turn left side. That's what it had done. Okay, so this is the use of broadcast message and when I receive message 1. Okay, here you can just broadcast the message and also you can wait. So this is the use of this block. Okay, this block palette. Okay, so that's all for this block menu, that is even block menu. We have explained almost all the block palettes here. Only one is remaining, that is when loudness, video motion, this thing. I will be explaining you these options when the sensing block menu comes. Okay, so just revise the topics which we have seen before. We will see much more interesting topics in the next coming video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.